Since months I had given this shout on this channel itself at 35,000, at 36,000 itself, that US30 is going to look forward to this zone at 30,000 levels and 32,000 levels, and still I am, yes, very much firm on these levels, and it is going to definitely achieve these levels. Precisely, it has achieved close to 31,200 levels. The next milestone I'll be looking forward to is 30,000. But what is going to happen next week, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts. And I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily analysis on US30, one with the Asia session, one with the US cash session. So do press the bell icon, watch that analysis. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Also, those who are new, those who wants to have a diverse interest, yes, I share my analysis on Nasdaq 100, FTSE 100, Germany 40, India index, and gold, silver, oil, and natural gas in commodities. So do watch those levels also. Now look at this. This is the weekly chart. Let's start. First, I'll be looking at the candlesticks alone, followed with the indicators, and at the end, I'll be giving you the trading levels. So do watch till the end. Now on the weekly charts, this is the seventh or eighth consecutive fall here. We have seen a good fall on US30, and it has got still much room for it to drop. On the downside, my target is definitely 30,000 levels. Soon we will see those levels, but what will happen next week? So if you see it trading above this zone, see there is a gap here at around, on the weekly charts, at around 32,800. So one possibility, if you connect the highs definitely are at around 32,800. It can try to reverse back till here before it looks forward to a drop again. A minor retracement cannot be denied. And yes, if you see it trading below 32,000 again, you can go short on the side, and it may try to achieve lower lows. This time it is going to go back well below 31,000 levels, and there is a strong support at 30,000. Remember that. Why I am saying 30,000? Look at this chart. See, this was the rally here, and this is the vertical fall. Now the support here will come back to this zone at 30,000, 31,000 first support, and then here at 30,000. This zone is very important for US30. It may try to get some support from this level before it looks forward to a retracement. And yes, on the weekly charts, if you look at the long term charts, even if it tries to achieve a high, it can try to go back till towards 34,000 in the coming days and well below these levels. But yes, a drop has to be there, which may try to bring it back to these levels. 30,000 levels is my target here. On next week, if you see it below 32,000, yes, you can go short. The support here will come into picture first at around this zone at 31,000, and below that we may see it dropping till towards 30,500 and below levels. At the same time, a retracement above 32,800 cannot be denied. From there it can try to drop, or else a drop, and then it can try to bounce back. This is also very much possible. 32,800 levels, there is a gap which needs to be filled. It may try to do that. So now coming back to the daily charts here. On the daily charts, see, this is what the reversal candle it appears here, but at the same time, this is on the daily chart. This is the channel in which it is trading. The resistance here at 32,400, 32,300 levels is very much existent. Only if it breaks 32,300 next week, we can expect that it is going to head back again till towards 32,700 and 32,800 levels. Beyond that, 33,000 definitely a strong resistance, and even if it continues to rise, and we can expect that it may try to give you a retracement. 33,200 levels, 33,300 levels cannot be denied before it looks forward to a drop again. So yes, these are wild volatile days. 1,000 points hardly mean anything in these days because the volatility is trading high. We can see sharper moves in the index now. And on the downside, as I said, on the daily chart it appears once it breaks 32,300, you can go long for 32,500, 32,700 and 800 zone, which is going to be important. And beyond that, it may try to go back till towards 33,100, 200 zone. From there it can again come back down. That is what the expectation. It appears on the daily charts. At the same time, breaking here at 31,800, it will try to fall back below 30,000 levels at 31,000, and in fact it can try to hit 30,500 levels also. Now look at the monthly candle. On the monthly candle, one can see the previous two candles almost achieving the same highs. This time it is trying to break out of this. Higher lows we had seen in the previous candles. Now look at also the previous candles. The size of the candle, 35,000 to 33,000 levels. This time it is started from 33,000 levels to 2,000 points, and from 32,300 to 31, at least it may try to achieve this zone, and in fact it can try to go back till towards 30,000 before it tries to come back to 31,000 levels. So yes, for the month, rest of the month, still I am bearish till the time it trades below 33,000, 33,200. I will not consider that as a reversal, and it can continue to drop from there. But this is just on the, but let's say also have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, another observation, see this was the drop, a sharp reversal. Also look at this, this is trying to trade precisely in this channel, and this was an outlier here. So again falling back in this zone, possibly next time we may see it coming back to 31,500. Till the time it trades below 32,300, you can again expect it to come back down again. But yes, breaking 32,300, the target is towards 32,600, then 32,800 and 33,000 level. 33,000 definitely going to be a very strong resistance at 33,000 to 33,200 levels. This is purely on the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators here. What does the indicators are explaining? Look at the 4-hour charts. There is a support on the 4-hour charts at 32,000 levels, and yes, if it breaks below 32,000, if it breaks below 32,000, I will expect rather one can go short at 31,800. Then there could be a sharper fall which will try to take it towards 31,600, 500 zone, and see the bottom of the Bollinger Bands at around 31,400, which is definitely going to provide a stronger support. Above 31,300, my next target 31,800 or 32,300, and then 32,500 levels. Beyond that, 32,800, 33,000 levels definitely should provide a stronger resistance on the upside. Now look at the directional movement is trading bearish on the 4-hour charts. It is still bearish and it is still diverging. At the same time, stochastic is overbought. It may try to come back down again. MACD is wide divergent, but it is sailing below zero. It is sailing is still in the negative zone, and hence this is just a retracement before the drop occurs, and RSI is trading at a comfortable zone on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you will observe that there is a support. This is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and the channels. There is a definite support here at 31,800 for US30. With that as support, it is trying to rise, but there is a resistance similarly at 32,300. So once it breaks past 32,300 next week, it may try to hit back till towards 32,800, 33,000 levels, and from there again it may try to drop a little. The zone at 33,000 to 33,200 probably may provide a very stronger resistance for US30. Now look at the directional movement on the daily charts. It is still bearish, trying to converge a little from here. If it crosses over, we may see a little bullish move. On the daily chart, the stochastic is also looking upwards. How high it could go? See, this is still trading in this zone. So yes, couple of green candles can be seen, and then followed with a drop. It is trying to give you lower highs and lower lows. So yes, probably that is the probability. But look at the look at the MACD on the daily charts. The MACD has hit a level of minus 600 to minus 400. There is going to be stronger bearishness, but it may try to converge or trade flat from here. Probably it may try to reverse a little before it tries to drop, because it is almost trading at a oversold levels. And similarly, RSI was also hitting the bottom. Now it is trying to bounce back. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, similarly, there is a stronger resistance at 34,000 to 35,000 levels. There is a stronger support here at 32,000 levels from the 100 period moving average, and below this we may enter into bear market officially. And if you look at this, the directional movements on the weekly charts is still diverging. It is still bearish. The stochastic has hit a bottom, and I have told you this on Nasdaq also. See, after 2 years, it is hitting oversold levels on US30, and this is a random site. This is a rare site that Nasdaq US30 has hit those levels, and that is what we can see. It is again on the weekly charts has hit oversold levels, now trying to reverse back a bit. So may a little greener candle if it appears, we cannot deny that. Now look at the MACD here is wide divergent, almost hitting minus 500 levels, strong bearish indication, and RSI hitting at oversold levels. Now coming back to the monthly candles, on the monthly candle there is a resistance here at 33,000 for sure, which is going to be a very strong resistance, which should restrain it from any upward move, and till 30,000 levels which may provide a very strong support. On the downside, the sky is open till 29,000 28,000 levels also. Look at the directional movement has just crossed over on the monthly chart and it is divergent, indicating more bearishness in the coming months. And look at the stochastic near to oversold levels. This is also a rare sight on US30. Look at this. It has enjoyed such overbought levels for months before it looks forward to a drop, and now also it is trying to enter. But this time the bounce back maybe a rare sight too. See, this was the time at around 2008 when monthly stochastic has hit those levels. Now this is going to be a rare sight when the Dow Jones is again trying to hit those levels. Look at the MACD here on the monthly charts, and on the monthly charts you will see this is the third red candle which is of consistently increasing size, and it is divergent. Probably it may try to give you sharper or more bigger green red candle than what we have seen the previous month. So possibly I am still bearish and we'll be looking forward to 31,000 to 30,000 levels. And yes, any rise till towards 33,000, 33,200 is a good level to go short again. The RSI is trying to trade and looking downwards. Considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next week. First, before we go ahead with the levels, yes, if you want to learn the same expertise, if you want to learn the same art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch, and you can also be part of my VIP signals group. My Telegram ID and channel IDs are my email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can reach out to me for details. And regarding mentorship session, it is a 15 days course with 90 minutes daily, and definitely the strategies taught will help you become a professional trader and help you prevent the losses or the mistakes which you are doing till date. So reach out to me for details via email or telegram. Both IDs mentioned in the channel and video description. Also join my telegram channel as well. Now the level to go long, one can go long at 32,330 here, one can go long here. The next and immediate support at 32,500 and 32. So here 32,600, 32,800 and 33,000. So see, as I said, 32,800, it can try to go back till here. That is going to be a gap filling also on the weekly charts. At the same time, this could be a good retracement on US30, which is a good level to go short. Beyond that, we may see it hitting towards 30,150 levels, which is going to be a stronger resistance. This is going to be a very good level to go short, and from there we may see a good drop. So if it tries to rise, it may try to hit back again at 33,000 plus levels before it looks forward to a drop towards the end of the month. So yes, you can go short from there, but yes, beyond 33,150, 33,500 cannot be denied, and beyond that we will go bullish from here. It may try to cross 34,000 again this month itself, but I will be not of the same opinion. I will be expecting at max, if it tries to rise, 33,100 can be the level beyond which one can expect that it is going to reverse strongly. Now on the downside below, if you see it trading at 31,950 levels, you can go short here. You can go short for the next target at 31,800, which is going to be a good support. Below that we may see it hitting again at 31,600, 31,400 and then 31,000 levels. In fact, this time it can go well below these levels, and the next support is going to be at 30,840 levels and at 30,600 levels. So below that, anyways, my monthly target is towards 30,000 levels. It can try to drop till there before it looks forward to any significant rise. So one can trade accordingly, take the trades accordingly. Always keep shifting your stop loss to cost whenever you see your trade in profit. These are wild volatile days. One cannot say that it is going to remain unidirectional, and it can try to swing strongly before it tries to clear out a direction, and hence always keep shifting your stop loss to cost. Always keep closing one or the other orders at every milestone, and yes, beyond that, take a retrade or take a counter trade, depends on you, depends on the direction of the market. So trade accordingly. This is just a minor strategy, and many more such to go. Reach out to me for details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.